Each month, we highlight a local organization doing good in the community as part of our 3-degree guarantee program. And the amount of money we donate depends on the accuracy of our weather team.
And the amount we raise is matched by Coolray. So this month, we are highlighting the work of Chris 180, which is based in Southeast Atlanta.
Today we are at The Spot. It stands for Supporting People Overcoming Trouble, and it's a drop-in center.
And this is where our clients are able to come in, work on resumes, figure out what jobs they have. We do mock interviews here.
It's a place for young people who are experiencing homelessness or on the brink of homelessness to have a safe space to breathe, to sleep, to eat.
One of the things that most people don't think about is like those vital documents. So our life coaches assist most of our clients with getting those vital documents, ID, birth certificate, and social security card.
This is just one of many services Chris 180 provides the community. They focus on families and youth, getting people back up on their feet again, helping people find their way after aging out of foster care, helping people navigate substance abuse recovery. Maybe they need family and community support or even violence prevention. They also work in the LGBTQ+ community.
We're in about 84 schools in all those districts. We have outpatient counseling centers that provide individual, family, and group counseling.
They've been in the Atlanta area around 40 years.
It's a way to give back. We have so many needs in our community, and to be part of someone's journey to mental health and safety and wellness is really very fulfilling.
Helping people become the best versions of themselves and giving them the tools to do that.
I feel like their ideology is, hey, I'm gonna help you as long as you wanna help yourself.
In Atlanta, Sawyer Bussey, Atlanta News First.
What a great organization does so much good, which is exactly why they are our First Alert 3-degree guarantee for the month of October. Our forecast high for today was 79 degrees. The actual high was 79 degrees. So far 100% accuracy for the month of October thus far. So the total for Chris 180 is 200, but of course we're going to continue to add to that each weekday, as long as the actual high is within 3 degrees of our forecast high. So thank you, Chris 180, for everything you do. We hope we can raise a lot of money with Atlanta's most accurate forecast.